In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly with Mailchimp step by step so you can connect your scheduling and email marketing tools in just a few minutes. This is a great setup if you want to automatically sync contacts, improve your audience management, and keep your marketing workflow organized without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll want to head to the integrations area because that's where Mailchimp keeps all of its connection tools and app options. On the left or through the integrations menu, click on integrations. This takes you to the section where you can search for and manage connected apps. Next, use the search bar and type Calendly, then press enter. Mailchimp will show you the matching integration results. From the list, click on Calendly by Mailchimp. Make sure you choose the correct app so you're setting up the official connection and not a similar looking option. Once you open the Calendly integration page, click Connect. This is the step that begins the linking process between your Calendly account and your Mailchimp account. After that, click Continue to move forward through the authorization and setup screens. Now, Mailchimp will ask you to configure how the data should sync. One of the first things you'll need to do is select your Mailchimp audience. This is important because it decides where your Calendly contacts will be added inside Mailchimp. Choose the audience you want to grow with your Calendly signups or meeting bookings. After selecting the audience, you'll be asked to choose the marketing status. This lets Mailchimp know how these contacts should be handled for email marketing purposes. Take a moment here to pick the status that matches your setup and compliance needs. Next, you'll see an agreement checkbox. Tick the agreement box to confirm you understand and accept the connection terms. This is required before the integration can proceed. Once that's done, review everything one more time so you know the correct audience and sync settings are selected. When everything looks good, click Sync now. Mailchimp will begin connecting Calendly and syncing the information based on the settings you chose. Depending on your account and the amount of data involved, this may take a moment to complete. And that's it. Calendly is now integrated with Mailchimp. From here, your scheduling and email marketing tools can work together more smoothly, helping you organize contacts and streamline your follow-up process. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.